Today, we're gonna be changing 3 essential filters to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get into this. Icon! Very nice. If you have one of these cars, I would recommend doing this as soon as you can. See that? I can literally see outside through the inside, which doesn't seem like a smart idea, Volkswagen. Wow. My gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. You're not gonna believe this. I don't think it's ever been changed. 25 years. My gosh. Smell like oil. And there you have it. Do yourself a favor and go and change your filters. If your car is older than 10 years, I'd recommend changing your filters. Why? Don't let it sit for 25 years like this. Because then next thing you know, you end up selling your car and then you you send all that mess with somebody else, for somebody else to fix, for somebody else to get into and discover it, and it's just gross. And come on, let's be honest. If you're that lazy to not change a filter, maybe you just don't know how to do it. Either way, just go and do it. It's not that hard. It's not that much money. After all, if you're driving a car, just do the maintenance, or at least pay somebody to do it. Well, until next time, subscribe for more. Yeah, I love those shots. Coming back home. All right. I mean it. Subscribe for more. Oh, shoot. Gotta roll my window up. Oh. All right. Well, if you're still watching, an update. My shifter, it goes back up and down. So there's a little freebie for you. All right. See you later.